this is my breakdown of a gold sell trade that I took today. I risked $400 and made $1,758, one before risk to reward. Okay, so as it says here, for our close bearish, only looking for sells. My bias for New York session NYSE comes from the fact that we have the 4 hour either closing bullish or bearish. In this scenario, it closed bearish, so it's only looking for sells. Okay, so the idea is you wait for the new 4 hour candle to open. Okay, either the candle is initially gonna rip through, go down, right? You don't get no formal, wait for the price to come up, create market structure, and then you sell. Or it just come up, make the top wick earlier in the session, and then drop down. Today was where the 4 hour initially came up and then it dropped down. Okay, so initially looking at the 4 hour, so the way I have my chart set up is it tells me the 4 hour open in this blue box here and where it actually closes as well, right? Which is this bit here. This is the other blue mark. Okay, so the idea that I was going with is sales, and all I had to do was wait for some type of confirmation to say, okay, we are going down. Okay, this is the first candle that opened up, this candle over here, right? And it was just like a doji candle. The thing is, I got in whilst this candle was actually bullish. My confirmation came from the idea, okay, 4 hour overall is bearish, okay, what we are doing is we are rejecting from this area. We have created a market structure shift over here already, right? So price is just making lower low, lower high, lower low just before the 4 hour candle closes. And then the new 4 hour goes up, makes a lower high and closes, 5 minute closes bearish. Okay. Let me just move all these. So 5 minute close bearish. I was expecting the price to actually respect the 4 hour high, which is over here, this over here. Um, I did just put my stop loss above the 1 hour candle, right? And I just expected it to go down, which is something that I've seen many times. Okay. The trade, it did not even take long. It was around 20-minute trade. Um, half an hour, 40-minute trade, and it gave me 124 risk to reward. Over here, I didn't see no fair value gaps. All I saw was like a minor structure shift that we can see on the 5 minute. Lower highs, lower lows being created, bearish candle close, and I just entered. Okay, that was the whole idea, backed by the overall higher time frame, which is the 4 hour. Again, the daily was bearish as well, but my bias usually comes from the 4 hour.